Welcome to Gutter Hero, expert gutter cleaning and gutter guard installation. In this video I'm going to be talking in depth about our gutter cleaning services. The first thing on everyone's mind is the pricing. Our services start from $250 including GST. We have 3 tiers of service. We have the basic clean, thorough clean, and we have the rescue clean. Alright, so let's start off with the basic clean. The basic clean is for a house that's had their gutters well maintained. It'll take us between 2 to 4 hours to get the job done. So it's a regularly maintained gutters or a small house that may have a bit of stuff in the gutters. The next tier of service is the thorough clean. So this is for gutters that have been let go for a while and there's plants growing out of the gutters, a bit of soil inside, mud inside of the gutters. That's going to take us between 4 and 8 hours to rectify, get it all back ship shape. And that pricing starts from $440 including GST to $880. It all depends on when we evaluate how long it's going to take. The final tier of service is the gutter rescue. Gutter rescue is for gutters that have had gutter guards installed and you haven't maintained them. We do this a lot. People will get the gutter guards and they don't clean underneath the gutter guards. That usually takes us at least 8 hours to sort out, sometimes 10. So you're starting at $880 and above. So those are our 3 tiers of service. The next question people usually ask about our gutter cleaning service is how do we clean the gutters? So we use a very simple method. We just go around with a bucket and scoop out all the rubbish out of the gutters manually. Once the bucket's full, we empty the bucket into a big tough refuse bag. Once that bag's full, we drop it off the roof. The next stage, after we've scooped everything out of the gutters, we then go around and blow down the gutters, get all the little bits and pieces out of the gutters. The next step is to clean up any mess that was on the ground. We clean that up and then we'd go to the final phase, which is rinsing out the gutters. By rinsing it out, we get the last little bits of grime out of the gutters. It also shows us if there's anything wrong with your guttering, which is very important, like slope issues or gutters pooling in certain sections, leaks. And also, most importantly, we get to see if the downpipes are functioning properly and check whether there's a blockage. If there's a blockage, most of the time we can free that blockage for you. Disposing of the rubbish. All right, so now we've got everything nicely there in the bag. We can spread all the bags rubbish into the garden beds. It makes great compost, great mulch. But if you're not happy with it going to the garden, we can put it into your green bin if you do have a green bin service in your area. Alternatively, if you want to, for some reason, get it dumped, we can tip it for you, but we would have to charge, the minimum charge for that is $50. And then the final step, we take photographs, we send the photos to you via SMS so you can see immediately, okay, the gutters are all clean, and then you can pay for the service. Okay, so then let's talk about what are the top 5 benefits of getting your gutters clean. Preventing water damage, avoid pest infestations, prevent roof damage, increase the gutter lifespan, enhanced curb appeal. That's pretty much all you need to know about our gutter cleaning service. It's a really simple process, but if you're not quite sold on Gutter Hero yet, why don't you click on this video over here? That's going to explain to you the reasons why we think you should use Gutter Hero. Or if you have some questions, click on this video over here. That's going to answer some frequently asked questions about the service. Hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.